are so many large issues that humanity needs to solve. Climate change, poverty, disease, security. We always seem to be demanding more and more resources to solve these issues. More food, more water, more money. One resource this generation seems to have too much of is data. And by using this data, computers are now able to outperform humans in several fields, including cancer diagnosis. And they can even beat us at our own games. How is this happening? The answer is deep learning, a powerful breakthrough in machine learning and artificial intelligence that has the potential to impact hundreds of industries and billions of people. The core of deep learning are neural networks, a set of algorithms modeled after the human brain that are designed to mimic our brain's ability to learn, process information, perceive patterns, and solve problems.
Similar to the human brain, neural networks are made of many layers of neurons that are connected through synapses called weighted connections. Each neuron has a function that takes in some inputs and based off of the weights assigned, determine how it's going to affect the output. Larger weights contribute more, while smaller weights contribute less. Finding the right weights allowed the machine to recognize complicated patterns and solve problems.
Let's look at a simple neural network model that predicts whether an animal is a dog based on the features provided.
Like all networks, it has three main layers: an input layer to feed in the features, one or more hidden layers to process calculations, and an output layer that returns an answer. Optimizing the weights can help the network learn what features make a dog different from other animals. For more complicated problems, we need hundreds of hidden layers and thousands of weights. Instead of manually assigning the weights, the neural networks can find the optimal ones through a process called training. At first, neural networks start off as very inaccurate, as the computer has to randomly guess the answer. However, as time goes on, the computer becomes more and more accurate by minimizing its cost function, which is the difference between the predicted answer and the real answer. Initially, the cost is really high, but we can minimize it by using a process called gradient descent, which helps the network learn how it should change its weights to reduce the cost and increase the accuracy. This process eventually creates a neural network that is on par or better than humans.
Understanding and replicating human speech to discovering new synthetic drugs, the applications of deep learning are endless. This is the next step in human technology, and who knows what we'll find next. The question is not if, but when. Thank you for watching.